Hey, guys, today, listen to fix notifications not working on iPhone after the iOS update. So if you have some issues with your notifications not showing or not working directly after you have updated your iOS softwares to the latest version, while in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so we need to do in order for us to fix this issue is to go ahead and actually double check if you have the latest version of iOS 17. So Apple is definitely aware about its users experiencing some compatibility issues and some issues in general with using the latest version of iOS. So it does periodically roll out some of those newer updates to fix some of those issues, especially something like this. So I want you to tap on your settings and tap on General Software Update and see if you have another new software update available for you to download on your device. As you see from the latest iOS 17, we do have one more new one, which is the iOS 17.1, which fixes some of the bugs that you have on your iPhone, especially with your airdrops and other stuff like that. So if you are experiencing some bugs already with your current iOS softwares, I would like you a suitable check if you have a new update available so that, of course, bugs like this would be fixed and you're gonna have the best user experience possible. But that is all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys are boring something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.